Hello, my name's AJ Asher. Real name's Adrian Asher. You currently help my husband, Robert Asher, buddy, with his credit, and it's taken longer than normal due to COVID. So we definitely couldn't afford both of us doing your services, especially because I recently lost my job due to COVID because we have 6 kids and the baby, who's 3, is not in school, and his daycare closed because of COVID-19. She no longer is doing daycare because she's older and more at risk because of health issues. So she is no longer babysitting, and where we live, there aren't many options for daycare. And I'm not very easy to trust with my baby because you just never know. So there's that. So I couldn't go back to work because I'm taking care of him. And then my other kids, on Wednesdays, it's virtual learning. So they're home also. So on Wednesdays, I definitely couldn't work either. So I decided to enroll in school. So only my husband is working, supporting all of us, all these kids and me and him. And I just started school at Ivy Tech, and I am trying for the nursing program to better our lives. As for credit, I've never had credit. I never knew what credit was. I come from a low-income family. My mom was a babysitter. My dad was a pizza man. Born and raised downtown Indianapolis. Low-income neighborhood. My mom... Hold on, baby. Hold on. I'm on the phone. My mom and dad always rented our homes. We've never owned a home. Hold on, baby. That's cool. Hold on. Let mommy finish. Yeah, I'll help you in a minute. Go get the rag and get it. So, I never knew anything about owning a home. I still have never owned a home. I'm 35 and have never bought a house, or a car for that matter. But my mom and dad, like I said, they always went to buy here, pay here. Always rented homes. My mom still does. And just weren't educated. My mom never went to high school. She had to stay home to take care of her 9 brothers and sisters. My dad was a pizza man, and he just stayed in his room. My mom took care of the kids. He paid the bills. He didn't talk much to any of us. So we weren't really educated in that area. We just knew we had to go to college because neither one of them did, and they didn't even care what for. So there's that. So if I learned anything from that experience is I'm going to explain to my kids what credit is and why and how you pick a college to go to for what you want to do in your life, so forth. But when I started trying to figure out credit, I didn't think you could own a home or buy a home unless you were older, married. I had no idea. I mean, once again, I wasn't educated in that sense. That's something they probably should teach in high school, just so kids have a sense of what credit even is. I mean, they don't have to go into detail, just the beginning of credit 101 or something. But like I said, I'm 35 and I still haven't owned a home. I don't have any credit. When I met my husband, I already had bad credit, and it's because I broke my pinky when I was 18, but I was in high school, and my mom never paid the bill, and it went under my name because I was 18. So I had to get that fixed, but then I never knew you needed to get credit cards and so forth. And then when I did get credit cards, I maxed them out. I don't know. So I've never been educated, but one thing I do want to do, since I met Buddy, my husband, we've been married 10 years. And when we first got married, we had to file bankruptcy. So it just downfall after downfall after downfall, and we've only ever rented. We've never owned a home together. He's owned homes in the past, but me, I have never, ever. So one goal of mine, I'm 35, is by the age of 40, I want to own a home, my own home. I'm tired of moving and renting and paying double for a home for my kids. I mean, I think owning my own home, it will save me money, and I'll get equity in the long run to be able to get my money back. I never do any of this. It's mind-blowing. Instead of just wasting my money renting and paying double, so half of my rent can go to my kids so they can have better clothes, so they can have better food, and so forth, and the list goes on, which is why I'm also going to school to try to better my income so my kids don't want for nothing. I mean, we do good. They understand. We explain to them, but yeah, they do good. But there you have it. That's why I am very interested in this, because I've never thought about me. It's always everyone else. I'm the last one for anything. All right. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye, Daddy.
No, it's not Daddy. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.